so we just got the heads bolted down in a very uneventful manner because they were surprisingly easy. There was no stretching bolts like there was the first time, which is pretty great because we still have these examples up here of some stretched head bolts. I swear this thing stays focused until I walk up to things, but as you can see, that not good. And this one started to do it too, but yeah. These are even Felpros. And then I think there's a factory one that started to do it too. I'm gonna put another factory in it and it's fine. That was before we started the whole rebuild it mode thing. But yeah, so getting push rods putting in, and now we're gonna put the rocker arms on. And after that, we gotta put this sucker on.
We gotta put the clutch, the flywheel, the clutch on the back calf after we get it on the hoist.
It's gonna be fun aligning those. Totally forgot about that. Oh well. Okie dokie. So we're like 12 hours later.
What's up, guys?
No, 24 hours later.
24 hours later.
I'm a little tight. So got the engine kind of in after fighting. Yeah, we got 2 bolts on the transmission after fighting with it for 6 hours.
Yeah, it's right up against it, so it's definitely going together now.
And I'll put a picture up. We aligned the clutch with a plunger. So that's
plunger,
cool.
bro. It worked.
Yeah.
This plunger right there. Yeah, the clutch alignment tool.
That's the clutch alignment tool.
Clutch alignment tool.
Buy
If you
them.
guys didn't know.
Yeah,
clearly.
they're on sale at like a dollar store for about $1.
Yeah.
They're good. Good
They
alignment
work.
tools. Yeah. Posted it on Slap Mechanics public Facebook page. People were telling me it's better to use a screwdriver. That guy's like, I just eyeball it, and I'm like, yeah. I use the plunger. That's
So, what took us the longest was trying to figure out our configuration to get the engine actually back in, because the load, we have a load equaler or whatever, leveler, and it worked to pull the engine out, obviously, you know, give you the tilt and stuff. But as we put it back in, we had it set up like this, like with the load leveler right here, and then the chain still hooked up like this, and then we had it where just 2 chains are crossed, and we kept hitting the load leveler on the truck. It wouldn't get close enough to the tranny for us to hook it back together. So we eventually had to rig up this, just a fuck ton of washers, a couple bolts we found in the ground, you know, just random shit to keep this all together, to kind of keep this in a level. Like, honestly, this chain was the same tightness when it was holding the engine. This and this one over here is basically the only 2 that are holding the engine at all.
just kind of weird, but that's okay. So now comes the part where we need to sit there and finagle all the bolts into the transmission.
Finagle bolts, put the fucking heat plate back on, get all that tidied up, tucked in, bolted on. Then we're gonna move on to
put the
motor mounts on, and those will be pretty. I mean, they should be pretty easy. It looks like we're clearing the motor mount, obviously, so we should be able to stick them on and then lower it down into it, because we got everything. The transmission and everything is all jacked up higher than what it would sit in the truck.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
We had to match the transmission and the engine a little bit. It was a pain in the ass, honestly, especially being in the truck. Probably one of the most difficult things that I've had to fuck with. But
got scars and
yeah, I mean, if I fucked this up, you know, they definitely the truth. You know, people say put blood, sweat, and tears in it, and that's not a joke. Like, you literally
put blood on multiple times. It's good.
You put everything into it when you do it. But yeah, no, it's there. It's there, and we're getting closer.
I'm gonna ride this high. We just got this in there, and the rest is cakewalk from here.
Yeah, shut up.
Jesus Christ! It better turn on. Better break in. Better not blow up. Better not spin a bearing. Better not. For the love of God, the oil pan better not leak. I do not want to fix that.
No.
Clean the crap out of it though, so it shouldn't.
Yeah, it looks really good. I think I might wipe it off before we lower it down too, and set it in the truck since we're done touching it. But yeah, it looks really good. And I like how fucking bright that green is in that tree. You see that shit shine off the inside.
Yeah.
Like once I
Even
wash
if it's
it.
dirty right now, you can tell it's
Yeah.
green and the stupid tape all over the place.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you know what I totally forgot about?
Huh.
We totally dropped a nut down the exhaust, didn't we?
Yeah.
What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
What was it? What nut was it?
Bolt nut.
Bolt nut.
What was it for? Oh well. I guess eventually I might have a nut ball out. And, alright, time to get back to work, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna start doing some work, guys. Probably. I mean, we haven't.
I imagine the next time you see this, it should have the motor mounts on at least sitting in the truck by itself, no crane.
Yeah, I keep telling you guys that we're gonna time lapse it, but that's a lie.
No.
We're not. Apparently, he doesn't want to set it up, so.
Okay. Engine's in. Done.
Yeah.
So we got belly housing bolts tightened on it. Sitting in the motor mounts by itself. We just need to bolt those, like tighten them up.
Yeah, it's already good. It's on there. Yeah, it just took forever. Sorry we sound bummed, but that's just fucking it sucked.
Yeah.
But we're really glad that it's on. We're really glad that it's done. Oh, just got our shit put up.
Now ideally right now, since it's in first gear, right? Engine shouldn't crank over.
Yeah. I think it's in first gear.
So grab that off the floor, dude. Let's see if we can so ideally it shouldn't really move.
Yeah, it gets real tight.
Yeah, this is where it just starts trying to spin the rear tires.
Yeah.
You're just taking all the slack out of the drive shaft.
Yeah, it's real tight right there.
Cool. So that's a like she was.
Huh?
Like she was.
Yeah.
Cool. Put it in first, clutch out. Okay, clutch back in. Second.
Some hose.
Feel good?
Yeah.
One thing to try is put the clutch to the floor. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reverse.
Just make sure whenever we're jacking the trains up and down, and like mess up the alignment on the shifter cable.
Through. And the clutch feels the same.
Super tight and retarded.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool beans. So what's next? Everything?
Everything, truly what's honestly next. I guess we that's the, we
Yeah.
gotta go look at the back and see what's all laying back there.
Oil filter, headers,
Yeah, stuff on
Valve
the bottom.
covers.
Yeah, we wanna go up on the bottom
Intake
up
manifold.
now. Yeah.
valve covers.
Yeah, because the headers are going to be a little bit of a bitch. We might have to adjust the. We might want that off to
'cause
adjust it a little bit.
The
Flange is just a little fucked up. But we got new bolts, bro. We got new bolts. That's what's up.
What do we do with the old ones?
From good old nuts and bolts. We got some bolts to give us some space and extra bolts for whatnot if we needed space or whatnot. But yeah, because the last guy had.
Smash.
And those are way better grade than these. The last guy had these on there, and as you can see, they fucking
bit.
Yeah, they just
really bit.
They just bent, you know, after he got it so tight, and they just bent to whatever form he wanted it to take, and that don't work for me. I need shit that's actually gonna hold. So this is all just like spare. Years later.
Yeah. Hold an engine up with it. It's already bent.
Yeah. But yeah, that's where we're at now, guys. We're gonna start fucking throwing shit back on.